Hi, welcome to Chinese Cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
Today we cook chicken and with chicken salad.
Yeah, it's like a chicken salad, right?
And we have the chicken, onion, curry, cucumber,
and cilantro.
Cilantro, right? And in China, this one say 鸡肉拌菜.
So we're going to go out in the kitchen. She's going to cook. And this is a fast one today. So we'll be back in just a little bit.
All right. See you later.
Bye for now.
Hi, welcome to Chinese Cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
Today we cook different food. Okay, right now I will cook chicken. We cook chicken and vegetables together.
Okay.
And today different. Right now I cook chicken. See, the water is hot.
So you're going to boil it?
Yeah, I boil it. Okay, and I will wait the hot boiling. And right now we do different. Oh, I know. Open this one.
Oh, brand new box of salt.
Yes. Today bad, right? Yesterday?
Yep, that's how fresh it is.
Very fresh. All right. Okay, fine. I use 1 teaspoon, right?
The small one? Yes, that's a teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
Right.
Okay, 1 teaspoon because no more much. And
Okay.
soy sauce. Soy sauce.
And how many tablespoons today?
3.
3, okay.
Oh, I do the backward. I should do this one first. That's the sugar.
Okay.
Sugar, okay. I need sugar in. And I come down 5.
Okay. Right down to medium.
Right, medium. And do 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of sugar.
Big, huh?
It's a little hot, yeah.
It's good. 1, 2, 3. This one.
Okay, and that is...
That's the vinegar.
Oh, that's right.
Right, that's vinegar.
Chinese vinegar.
Right.
It's different.
Right, this one do 2, okay? 2.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. 2.
Yeah, don't try to use white vinegar with that or apple cider vinegar.
Right.
It won't taste the same.
This one I do a little more. This and red pepper. And inside I have some sesame seed. Sesame seed, red pepper. And it's hot oil. Take the red pepper and the sesame inside the bowl. Make it
Right, those
the
are
oil.
those are chopped up red chilies,
right.
and they were hot.
No, we're hot. The big bag.
Okay.
There's nowhere hot.
Oh, different red chili. Okay.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. The other red chili that you made with the oil, boy, that was hot.
Right, this one nowhere hot.
Okay, so I got mixed up, everybody. I'm sorry.
No problem, it's okay. Because I just want a little spicy, nowhere spicy. We take it out together.
Okay. How's that going to be for the chicken?
Yeah, later. No, right now.
Okay. But this gives a chance for everything to get mixed up together.
Right. And right now we need this one cook and about 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes. And those are 2 large chicken breasts, right?
Right, 2.
2. Okay.
But I cut it out the fat and out the no shelf that take out off.
Okay, you took all the little gristle and all the little fat out.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then right now we just 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes. Okay, so we'll come back.
All right. See you later.
Bye for now.
Welcome back. Right now is time. See? Oh, right now it's cooking. And too hot. I need to make them go the cold way water inside. Okay.
All right.
And make a little cooler. And I will show you. See, today we used the vegeta box and with the chicken together. And there's a cucumber, carrot, onion, and some cilantro. And water and vegetables you can choose. If you don't like cilantro, it's okay. And you choose which one you like. Some people don't like cilantro, I know, but I like. And I just wait a little more time, make it cooler, and we will see later. Okay.
Okay. Come
See
back
you
just
later.
a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye right now.
Bye for now.
Welcome back, and I just take some chicken come out. See, but the inside is still hot. But I just want to take it out. Like this one.
Okay, so you're shredding the chicken.
Right. Take it out. Small. You can wait more cooler than do this way, because too hard maybe no good. But I used to go.
Okay.
Not burn me.
Yeah, you don't want to burn your skin.
Yes. So I used the one. So inside is some hot. See, you can see it. Take it out. Just do this way. Take it out. Some hot.
If you start breaking it open, it has a chance to cool off faster.
Right. But easy to.
Yeah, at least it is easy.
Yes. All right. Okay. Out. See.
It looks good.
Yes.
Smells good too, by the way.
Right, and then we just take it out in here. Together.
So this is almost like a pulled chicken salad.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I could smell. Okay, we take it out together. And this one, you choose your sour, and just more vinegar. You like sweet, you just use more sugar.
Okay, so you're putting in.
Yeah, I put it out together. See, I usually love this one, and I can use my hands for eating.
Right.
Okay. They cut in the bowl, in the spoon. I can use my hands and make them take together. Chicken salad, I think.
Yes. Yes, very much like a chicken salad, but instead of using maybe something with sour cream or mayonnaise, you're using something different. This is this. I'll tell you what, this smells really good from over here.
Smells very good. If you like garlic, you can use some garlic in there. Oh, I don't usually do it. I think probably that I alright. Okay.
That looks great. Not your hands so much, but the food looks good.
I save on my hand.
Your gloves, anyway.
Yeah.
All right. So now, if you're going to call this anything in Chinese, what would the words be?
And chicken. A Chinese word is and 鸡丝拌菜.
Okay, and that's what you would tell somebody. This is what we're having for dinner.
Yes.
鸡丝
鸡丝拌菜.
拌菜.
Right. 菜 is vegetables.
Ah, okay.
拌 就是 like it together.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
Well, it looks beautiful. Is it time to eat?
Yes.
All right.
All right. We go eat. See you later.
Okay, bye for now.
I like the smell.
Me too.
Welcome back.
Hi.
All done right now. We can show you. Hope you can eat right now.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Smells good. All right. So, our tradition.
All right.
To us.
Together forever.
Mwah.
Love
Love you too. Cheers.
Cooler. Good.
Good. All right. Ladies first.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, you're not going to grab more?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to grab a bunch.
Oh.
Okay.
I like the onion. I like the onion. Good? It's good, huh?
It's very good. I like the sauce that you put in here.
Uh-huh.
You know what?
Mm-hmm.
You could put this in a tortilla, like a burrito, or tacos even.
Yes.
Put it inside that if you don't want to just eat
Right,
out
you
of the
can
bowl.
do another one.
Oh, this is good.
And the sauce, we make the sauce. You can choose if you like a little sour, more vinegar. You like a little and the sweet, there's more
A little
sugar.
more sugar.
Right.
If you want it a little hotter,
Yeah.
put in a little bit more of the hot sauce.
Right.
It's really,
So
really good.
right, your choice of what taste you like. But I don't want it too sweet, too sour.
Right.
So I put it. You just taste different, but feel and vinegar, right?
No,
There's
not
a
at all.
lot of.
There's a little something in there you can tell, but the Chinese vinegar isn't very sour. So, like I said, don't use American vinegar when you're cooking these meals. Use use the Chinese vinegar. Go out of your way, get some. It's worth it.
Right.
What do you want to call it today?
Yes.
A day.
Right. A day.
Okay. Well, thanks for coming by today and watching the video. If you don't mind, hit the subscribe button, the notification. Don't forget the thumbs up.
Right.
Right. That's what it's all about, folks.
Yes.
And anything you want to add?
No.
No?
No.
Well, I hope you have a good day.
Yes.
Good
and
week.
have a good weekend. I just want to quickly eat.
Okay, so we're going to say goodbye for now.
All right.
Bye. 再见.
再见. Oh, yes. Like they say, can use the like the
Tortilla.
all right, make it take it together,
Right.
cut the eat right.
That would be good too.
Right.
Yeah, this is so good. So we get to eat
Right.
more
More. I want more
food.
Right. So I said nothing. I don't want to talk more. I just want to eat.
Tastes very fresh, very clean. Very good.
That tastes good, right?